it's Angelina here. Today is just going to be a normal vlog. I have nothing to do in Australia. I'm scared. But yeah, watching Teen Titans. Turned off my Teen Titans TV. It's so hard to show you. Wait, there you go. There you go. Okay. That's a good view. And I have my little sister right there. Wait, not there. Did you see her head? No, not cute. Today is Easter Saturday. Tomorrow I'm gonna have the huge Easter party. Woo! Anyways, I was going to eat this garlic sauce and crackers. If you think that's disgusting, it's actually really good. I'll prove I can eat it. Wait. It doesn't taste nice with salty crackers, but it's so good. The question today is, why do you like waffles? So please tell me why you like waffles in the comment section below. I also have a Minecraft. I also have Minecraft PE, and I also have Plug PE, and my username would be Hey, I'm Angelina. So be quiet. I'm serious. Okay. So I have nothing to do. I said to stop. And if you think she's cute, she's actually wait. So next vlog, I'll write. Can you stop it? Okay. Next vlog, I'm gonna write your comments on my hand with a pen. So I'll see you guys next week on my channel, or maybe tomorrow. See ya. Bye. Peace. Love ya.